Now the rings are now aligned properly, both the reduction and compression, and also all is rings, all is screws are in there. Then this cap, the cap is open. Now we can fix this piston number 1 for cylinder number 1, and let us rotate the engine until the pin come up to top dead center that way. Now after that, this piston is lubricated. Piston is lubricated. Piston now is lubricated. This block is also lubricated. Let us lubricate this cylinder very well to avoid the wear. Now that check the piston mark. This must be always facing at the front side of the engine, which is indicated by the timing mechanism. There is an end of lubricating this bearing. Now this should be fixed like this way. Then you can press by hand. Then we use the ring squeezer to fix the whole the ring squeezer is slack and reversed. Slacken this one first, so that it may fit properly to the piston. What is adjusted should be adjusted and duty that way. Then we use either ball peen or that is how we can fit them. That is for cylinder number 1, and the rest being done that way.